Stop it. I said stop it. Stop the hate. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to try something different. Be sure to check out autonomousdroneservices.com for all your aerial professional drone needs. I am going to head over to buy the Unisphere ball over there. That's not far from me. And I will test this guy out, the color profiles. And they recently did some firmware for Android, which I downloaded, which is supposed to make the orbiting effect smoother. It's ready to test. Let's head over to Flushing Meadows Park, test this out, and then we'll drive to a different part of the park and try this out with these filters. Let's get that done right now. I was flying at a beach. It was really gloomy, long story short, a few days ago, and I went through the color profiles because I didn't feel like editing and doing work in the post. I don't like doing that on videos, only on photos. So less work I have to do, better for me. I'm only doing YouTube, so don't hate me. But either which way, I went through the color profiles on this thing, and I'm loving it. This one doesn't really have much color profiles right now. I'm sure it's in the works, but yeah, this one here, whew, I'm liking it more than the Mavic Pro. That's just me. I'll take it up for a few, and you tell me if you like the color profiles more than the Mavic Pro or not. It's just preference. Important for me, I want to change the color profiles. This is what most people fly on. And then you have log. And then, I'll move you up here. You have vivid. Oh my gosh, vivid just really adds a punch to this drone. Then you have black and white. Then you have art. Art is kind of weird. Film. I know DJI has a film, and that's one of my favorite, what do you want to call this, filter or color profile on the DJI Mavic, but does not look nowhere near the same here. But different drones, different filters. Actually, the beach looks more like the film. The beach is actually pretty cool. Then there's Dream. I really like their color profiles. Classic, nostalgic. Nostalgic is like really weird. And none. So let's set the center point A. Let's go this way. The map will show you too that, oh, my orbit's not quite centered. Oh well, it is what it is. So while this is orbiting this, I'm just gonna take a look up and see what's up there, because you can control your gimbal too. Oh wow, there we go. Some nice scenery around here, some nice buildings, trees, stuff like that. Now, can I go back to my orbiting position? Yes, I think I have to manually do that. The DJIs, you just press a button and automatically finds your orbit back, but no big deal. You can do this one itself, and it's pretty smooth. I don't see any choppiness, nothing like that. All right, let's exit. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try a manual orbit. Oh, this sucks. But when I use the app, it's fine. I guess I'm just moving too fast. You know what? Let me lower my speed a little bit. Maybe it's this. You always like to go fast, X. Let's go to the 22 miles an hour. That's reasonable, okay? All right, let's try the 22 miles an hour. Let's go 22 miles an hour. Oh, I'm full pressure on the right stick. I will lower the, what you call it? Oh, no gimbal acting up, 22 miles an hour. Everything looks smooth, and I'm actually pushing full force on the right stick. So I guess it's just when you're going really fast that the gimbal acts up. Like, this is beautiful. There's a nice smooth orb. So I guess at 34 miles an hour, you can't expect the gimbal to perform and do these orbital moves. So, right? So keep the speed down, guys. Keep the speed down. Come here, you little bastard. Get inside here. Okay, good. So this is how I keep my antennas, guys. I'm actually getting really good results like this. It seems to be working for me. So if it ain't broken, don't fix it. Guys, I'm gonna do a full review on this drone, but right now I just wanted to share a little bit about the color profiles. I really enjoy using this controller. It's such a wonderful experience. Let's head over to a different part of Flushing Meadows Park. We'll drive over there and we shall test out this bad boy with the filters. This video and all the equipment used has been sponsored by madmixtube.com, a creative free space for you to upload your content today. Freewell sent me this to go on the controller, which I'm not using today. I'll test this another day. But they did send me some filters for the Mavic to zoom. Now to change the filters, it's very simple. We just pop the cover. I'm thinking it's an ND 16 day or maybe even a 32. Like, it's really hot, like summer out here. Let's try the ND 16. Let's limit some light first. Of course, take the drone off when you unscrew this. We'll use the ND 16. Now these filters have like little grips here, which is pretty cool, and you just screw it right on. You don't have to make any adjustments. That's it. It's holding the camera and putting on the filter. Awesome. Yeah, man. Thanks to the little grips that Freewell gave me over there. Alright. You don't want it too tight, but you do want it tight. You don't want it to fall off. Yep. Just clean the head a little bit. You want to make sure that we're seeing nice and clean. Alright. Awesome. Let's get it back in the air and see what this thing can do.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. And the gimbal moved by itself. Obstacle avoidance not working. That's the usual DJI stuff, right? Yeah, it's really windy outside though, in DJI's defense. I'm gonna mix it up. Watch this video, tell me if it's somewhat entertaining or you like it at least somewhat, or you want me to continue to make more of these videos. If not, I'll just keep it simple and do Autel videos for the Autel guys and DJI videos for the DJI guys. If you're not a patron, head over to my Patreon account. All it takes is $1 a month and you can become a patron, help support my content, and as soon as I hit my Patreon threshold, guess what? I'm giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pro drones, so you could possibly win one. As always, I would like to thank Autonomous Drone Services for providing us with this wonderful Evo for us to flight test, play with, and do whatever we want basically with it. They have, as you can see, the top of the top. I haven't tested the Inspire yet. They still have the Inspire for me to check out. They still have the just a whole list of drones, including autonomous drones. So hey, Autonomous Drone Services, autonomous drones, and of course Madmix 2, great space, similar to YouTube. Head over there, check it out, upload your content there, or just watch content for free. Oh, like, subscribe, and share this video, guys. I'd like to continue making more Autel Evo videos. You guys have to let me know if this is something you're interested in. I really like this drone. I really do. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done talking. Said enough. Until the next video, I'll see you guys later.